All the room that our other truck has. But up top in the middle, that's where all our ropes and stuff are. We got some water gear up there and whatnot, and then of course our packs and whatnot, hand tools, hooks and whatnot. Axis is right here. And again, this is a like 200 series. Up top, as you can see, we got step chalks up there, part of our BVR and whatnot.
So, quick question.
Yeah.
As a squad, how long does it take you to switch over to 200?
This is normally the brass compartment. Hilty stuff. This thing here that's getting caught up, that's our man sack, but you know, we don't. And this here is a Sawzall electric. Pack 90, chain, K950s. In the back we got the all-purpose blade, and the front one is the awl. In this bay right here, as you can see, is a blue bag right there. That's where our basket is for retrieving somebody in a confined space or in a hole or even above, whichever one. We got 2.5 and 3 inch lines right here. That is our 2.5 line right there. That will knock the piss out of anything. Here's our new BVR stuff. I'm gonna take this one out and let y'all check this out. Oh, shoot. See, it's battery operated. Here's the battery pack here. Here's our on and off button. Boom.
That was good.
More hand tools, shovels, sledge, come along. We even got a tool. Somebody locks their keys in the car. We got a little piece right here we can help them out with. And I know these compartments are extra bottles.
Wow. That's what
it's 4 of them. 1, 2, and 2 others. Alright, we got our meters, we got stuff like that in here. It's some more meters back there for our hazmat stuff. But we lead off with this because it's a 5 gas meter.